Hey there, Eric at McKenna. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download Easy Order as a new customer and also as an existing customer. So if you're a new customer, navigate to mckennapro.com, click on the new customer link right here. That will take you to this screen. Enter your email, your phone number, and click submit. It will then take you to another screen, which you'll enter your studio name, your billing and shipping addresses, and you can set up your password there. You'll receive an email that looks like this. Your account number is a 6-digit number, and that very first link at the top, that's where you'll click to get to the download Easy Order button. So Easy Order or McKenna web ordering software, and you'll get to this screen. Okay, now if you're an existing customer, you'll navigate to mckennapro.com, and up here where it says order, click on Easy Order. You can also go to the sub menu right here, but nevertheless, you'll click on download, and then click please download here, and then that will download the installer. Okay, but before we install it, we need to download Java. So once we download Java, then we're ready to go. Okay, so click on download Java, click on it again, that'll download. Sometimes after installing Java, you need to restart your computer. If it asks you to, then please do. And then you'll install Easy Order right here. Let's bring that over. Okay, now just follow the prompts, and once it installs, then we'll open the program, and right here on the right hand side, that's where you enter the account number from the email and the password that you set up, and click login. Okay, that's the start menu. Then you can go up to the order prints menu. So these things, if it shows up like this, just hover over those little dividers and drag those to the right or left to make the columns wider or more narrow. And on the bottom left, you can see this little arrow. If you want your thumbnails on the right hand side, let's say, and your options on the left, you can do that as well. Okay, so you can customize this. Let's just go ahead and place an order for metal prints, let's say. Okay, so we'll navigate over here to the different catalogs, click metal prints, click on prints. Let's select a size. No, maybe not that size. This size looks good. Let's drag our image in there. And then any options that we have on the left, gloss, semi-gloss, all that kind of thing, that's all right there. Okay, so that is how to download Easy Order as a new customer and as an existing customer.